Hi guys, welcome you guys to my YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make this lovely dress. Do you see how lovely it is? So let's go for the cutting. So now this is the materials I'm using. I'm going to line this dress to make it stand firm. This is the Ankara I'm using. Why this is the stone work. You can give it to anybody that has stone board to use it for you. I've ironed my stay on it, under it. So it's a circle stone board. So you can give the person that is stoning dress to help you with it. But if you have your stoning machine, you can get the board at 7,000 naira. So this is it. I've come out with 6 pieces, 1 for the back, 3 for the front, 2 for the 2 sleeve. So the full length is 55, the bust is 40, the waist is 39, the hips is 46, the back is 15, the sleeve full length is 23, while the band is 15/13. I have cut out my Ankara length, which is 55. So I used 57. I added extra 2 inches to it. I used 58. Sorry, I added extra 3 inches to it. So making 58. So the back is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 plus half, making 8 inches. You know, it's folded into 2. So this is the front. So now the neck deepness for the front, I want to use 4.5. I don't want it to be too tight. For the wideness, sorry, I use 4.5 for the wideness. So I use 4 inches for the deepness of the front. So I use 4. You can use 4.5, you can use 5. It's not too bad. So now I've covered out my neck. The band is 15 here. So 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So I want to add extra 1.5 inches to it. I want to use 9 inch for it. So now the bust is 40. 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches. So plus 3 inches extra because I'm still going to lining it. So making 13 inches. So I bring out my armhole curve there. So from the shoulder to the waist, shoulder to waist is 16 inches, while shoulder to hip is 23. So it determines how tall the person is. The waist is 39. 39 divided by 4 is 9.5 and quarter, but I'm using 10 inches for it. So I'm going to be adding extra 3 inches with it again also. So the hip is 46. 46 divided by 4 is 11.5 plus 3 inches, 14.5. So just blend it this way and bring it to the waist point. So I'm going to give it a shoulder slope at the neck point. So to the neck wideness, so I use 1 inch downward and blend it to that place. Like I said earlier, I've measured my full length, which is 58. So now because the place that down part should not be tight, I'm using 18 inches for the wideness of the down part because I'm still going to lining it. After turning it, it's going to be short. So you are just going to blend that 18 inches you took at the down part up to the hip point. So I'm going to cut it out now. So now what I do here, I've placed the front on the back. So what you just need there, you don't need to add deeper allowance to it at the back. That one is not needed because the neck wideness. That's why I use 4.5 for it. So for here now, I just come down by 2 inches for the neck deepness for the back. So I just trace it to the neck wideness at the front. So I'm just going to cut out the exact seam that I cut for the front. So now what I'm doing here, I want to launch the place that my lining will get to. So I told you earlier that the full length of my dress is 55, so I added extra 3 inches. So you are just going to add half inch to the body, which is 55 and a half. So you are just going to launch 2.5 from the down part up. So because that half is going to be for the joining at the shoulder, at the upper part. So that's what I'm doing here. I've launched it now. So I'm going to bring my lining now and cut the lining out. So now let's cut out the sleeve. The normal sleeve length is 23. So I'm going to make use of 25 because they're still going to hold the edges in at the down part. So you just come down by 2 inches. Sorry, that place is not showing very well. So by 2 inches, just blend it up. If you don't know how to cut sleeve, you can let me know in the comment section. So just blend it out. It's not a straight sleeve, it's like a shaped sleeve. That's what I'm blending out at the down part. So now I want to cut it out. So that was the place that is not showing the camera. You can see that I just come down by 2 inches and 10 inches for the wideness. So I just blend it out with my scissors. I cut it out this way. So now this is our stonework. So you are just going to place it at the middle and just fold the edges round. First of all, you can use your hemming gum on it. So after lining your dress, if you like, don't lining it before putting it on it. Just open it widely. I've cut out my lining on my dress. Just open it widely. The front panel is going to be having 3 at the front. So you are going to arrange it. You can use your tape rule for the distance. So just arrange it this way. You can see how lovely it is. Just have to fold your edges in. For you to have ease at that point, you can use hemming gum to just iron it down. Use hemming gum for it. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to show you guys the way it looks after. Thank you. Bye.